Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will create a foxy eye makeup. As you can see, I already did my foundation. If you would like more details about it, you can check in the previous video. So let's get started. To create the foxy eye makeup, I will use the Pixi and ITSJUDYTIME palette. And mainly I will use these shades. I will take a brown shade and I will place it in the outer corner and in the crease. And also I will create the line, the direction that my makeup should go. Then I will come with a darker brown. And now with a darker brown shade I will create a soft liner. And on that line that we create, I will come with the black shade. And to have a sharper edge, I will come with a little bit of concealer on a flat brush.
If you ever feel like you might need someone to remind you who still believes, don't forget I'm not so far from home. Don't forget I'm not so far from home.
I will quickly do the same steps to the other eye. So the eyes are done. And to raise my brow bone a little bit more, I will use a little bit of highlighter. And also because I like this golden highlighter, I will apply it a little bit more on my cheekbones. I will quickly apply a pair of false lashes off camera and I will be right back. So the lashes are on. Next I will come with the Extreme Dimension from MAC. And on my lips I will use the NYX lip pencil in Natural and the Kiko lipstick. And I will overline the bottom of my lip and the upper lip.
You might need someone to remind you who still believes, don't forget I'm not so far from home. Don't forget I'm not so far from home. 'Cause when it's you, my heart feels it too.
So, my makeup is done. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!